Good morning, dear students. We are studying the healthy eating habits, and we have studied the question answer part of that. Next, we have to study is about the grammar portion. We may take page number 30. Test your vocabulary. So, you might have heard about proverb. Do you know what is a proverb? So, you might have heard the word proverb. A proverb is a particular short saying with words of advice or warning. So see, like it is like a kind of sayings are there. So few words are there, but it is arranged in a proper way and very it is an easy way to remember. In that way it is and mostly it is giving us a warning or advice like. Okay, mostly these are the sentences said by the ancient people, old people, and it is transferred from them and through the ages it has been transferred from one person to another, like that. So there is, look at this proverb from the lesson. So when we studied about in this chapter, we heard a proverb called health is wealth. Okay, so you can see like it is very nice to hear, isn't it? So health is wealth. There are only 2, 3 or a few words are there in that, but it has got a very deep meaning. Okay, so health is wealth means that health is everything. Okay, so if there is health, then there is wealth, and if there is wealth, but if there is no health, there is no any happiness in our life. So if we have health, then we can do the job, we can earn a lot amount of money, and we can live a very healthy and happy life. Okay, so if our health is lost, then we cannot live a good life. Okay. So there are also some other proverbs are given, and you have to understand. But there are some words are missing in that, so you have to fill up them with the proper words, and those words are given on the given in this. So in that different colors are there. So in the boxes are there. In that it is given. So you have to find out which is the most suitable words there. As you sow, so shall you reap. The first one is reap. Okay. So as you sow, so shall you reap. What is the meaning of reap, or what is the meaning of this proverb? You know. So this proverb, as you sow, sow means to plant some things. So like when the cultivation is done, and reap means to cut off that. So harvesting of that. So reap, so cutting the fruit of that. Okay, so what you are planting, the same result you will get. So like if you are planting, if you are sowing wheat, you will be able to reap wheat. So what you do, the same way you will get back. So that is the meaning of this proverb. So this proverb has got not only their word meanings, but also there is an inner meaning. So it is in order to say that, see, like if you say bad words to others, they will also give you bad words. So whatever you do to others, you will get in return. So how you behave with others, or how you do the things, in the same way you will also be getting. Okay. So in Bible there is a saying that it is like a proverb, like it is said that Jesus Christ has said that you have to treat others in the same way as you want to be treated. How you want others to treat you, how you like others to treat you, in the same way you should treat others. Okay, so if you treat others in a good way, they will also treat you in a good manner. So that is the meaning of this proverb. So as you sow, so shall you reap. So whatever you do in your life, the same thing you will get in return. So whatever things that you do, if you do good, you will get good in return. If you do bad, you will get bad in return. So that is the meaning of this. The next one, B, dash is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, and it is starting with H, but the H letter is silent there. Honesty, and this is already very much familiar. You are doing so many speeches and all on this one. Honesty is the best policy, means that we have to be honest, and this is the honesty means saying only the truth. Okay, so we have to be honest, and honesty is the best policy. Then the next one, no pains, no gains. Okay. I'm writing only the words which you are supposed to fill up. So the remaining portion is already given there. You have to fill up with the other portion. No pains, no gains. What does it mean? No pain, no gain means that if you, without doing any hard work, you will not get any result. So for doing hard work, you need to suffer some pain. If you are unable to suffer the pain, then you will not get any gain. Okay, so that is the meaning. No pain, no gain. Where there is a will, there is a way. Will. Okay, will is the word that you have to fill up. Where there is a will. So where there is a will, there is a way. So it means that if we have a decision, so proper decision is there. Will means our mind. If we are ready to do something, then there will be a way. So if people, those who are saying excuses, they are not interested to do anything. That is the meaning. Okay. So if there is a will, there is a way. If you want something to be done, then you can do it. Okay. So if you consider that it is possible, you can do it, then you will be able to do it. So that is the meaning of this one. Then the next one, E. I will be writing here. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Okay, so too many cooks spoil the broth. It means that, see, like if any food item, broth means a kind of food item, soup like thing is there. So it is there. So if we are preparing something with different people are there, so when whatever thing is there to be done, if many people are mixing up, then it will get spoiled. If one person is doing, one person is taking the initiative and taking the job, then it can be easily completed. Then next one, F. So here, Rome was not built in a day. So Rome was not built in a day. It means that this Rome is a very big empire. Earlier it was there. So nowadays it is not that much big, but earlier it was considered as one of the biggest empire. So, but it was not a Roman Empire. You might have heard many stories and all are there. So it was there. So it was not made in one day. So it means that anything cannot be completed or anything is not done in one day's effort. It needs a lot amount of hard work of many days of work is required for completing any kind of task. So that is the meaning of Rome was not built in a day. So any important work, if there is a success behind that, it is not just in one day you get up and say that I am successful. Or if a businessman is there, so he is starting up of a business. So if a businessman becomes successful, it doesn't mean that just one day he did business and become successful. Many years he had been working, and after that only he reached to the highest position. The next one, the last one is prevention is better than cure. Okay, cure. Prevention is better than cure. Nowadays, this in Corona season and all are there, and people they say that prevention is better than cure. So why it is said that instead of treating after getting the Corona, what we have to do is that wear mask, wash your hands, and maintain social distancing. Don't go in public without much reason and all. So if you be careful, then we can prevent this coronavirus. And once if it is coming or if it is getting affected by the coronavirus, then treating that is very much complicated. Or there is no proper medicine for that. Once if there are many people dying or many people are getting affected with these things, so and you are very familiar with that. So because of as a prevention only, you are getting no classes and all. So now you are sitting at home. So if you come to the school, then there is a chance that you may get these sicknesses and all. Okay, so that is why it is said. But nowadays almost all the activities are getting open. So we expect that our school also may be getting open in a very recent without much delay. Okay. So we have studied about the proverbs. Then next we have to study about a simile. Okay, you might have heard this. It is written there. It is not smile. It is a simile. A simile is a comparison made between two objects of different kind which have at least one point in common. The shirt is as white as snow. So this is a comparison of two things. We make a comparison and two things may be entirely different but they have a common thing. Okay, so the shirt and the snow, both the things are not having any connection but the color of that. See, like white color snow and white color shirt. So it is compare that, see, like the shirt color is so much bright as the snow is there. Okay, the shirt is as white as snow. Okay, so such a way we make some similes as a comparison. So there are so many similes given there. So you can fill up. The words are given in a box there. So you have to fill up the words from there. As brave as lion. Okay, so lion is a very brave animal. So as brave as lion. So we may say about some person like he is as brave as lion. Means he is just like a lion. Means that he is having that much braveness. As gentle as lamb. Lamb is a very gentle animal. So it is very poor. We feel very much happiness when we are being with the lamb animal. Okay. As greedy as wolf. Wolf is considered as very much greedy. So you might have heard the story of wolf and all. It is coming and jumping for grapes and all the story you might have heard. So it is a very greedy animal. As heavy as lead. Okay, as heavy as lead. Lead is considered as a heavy thing. It is there. So as sharp as needle. As sharp as needle is a very sharp, very pointed thing. So if it gets into our body, it will pierce into our body. So that is why it is called as sharp as needle. As cold as ice. Ice is considered as the very cold thing. So ice as cold as ice. As busy as bee. Honeybees, you might have seen honeybees, and they never sit in one place. They move from one flower to another and they keep on working. So they are always busy. As busy as honeybee and bee. As red as blood. The color of blood is very reddish, pure red color is there. So as red as blood. As cool as cucumber. Cucumber is a thing that we are using in the summer season for reducing our body heat. So it is very cool. So if you eat cucumber, our body also will get relaxed or it will become cool. As quick as lightning. Quick, very fast thing. So lightning comes very fast. We cannot see. So very only that one line lightning is seen. But within few seconds, if lightning comes in, and even if very big building or any big things are there, then in few seconds it will get spoiled. So that is why it is known as quick as lightning. And there is like a summary writing. There is one exercise given there. Write the summary of a given passage means writing only the main points and leaving out avoiding details. So there is a paragraph given there. So you have to read that paragraph and make the summary of that. So that is a homework for you. You can do by yourself. And also there is a let us act. There is an activity given there. So you can make can you talk as cleverly as the boys does. So it is an exercise given there. So that is enough. That is all about the chapter. We have completed the chapter, all the exercises. So all the exercises, whichever answers I had given you, all the things you have to write. 9th one is not necessary to write, but other exercises you will have to write in your copy. Okay, thank you so much.